to this legal update with me, Ezra Pillay. Today we are going to be discussing the Promotion of Access to Information regulations that came out in 2021. In these regulations, key concepts relating to the information regulator and information officer have been addressed, as well as key procedures and methods to be followed. So without further ado, let's take a deep dive into these regulations and see exactly what has to be done. These regulations start with the obligations of the information regulator. The information regulator must make the PIEA guide available in each of the official languages via publishing of the Government Gazette, in the Office of the Information Regulator, on the Information Regulator's website, or through the Director General of the Department of Government Communications and Information System. The Information Regulator must make copies of the guide available upon prescribed written requests to any person, including an information officer. The Information Regulator may not charge a fee for a copy of the guide being made available, or for inspection of the copy of the guide at the offices of the Information Regulator. The regulations provide for the Information Officer's obligations, and the Information Officer must have a copy of the guide in at least 2 official languages at their head offices for inspection within office hours. They are to make copies of the guide available at appropriate requests, and may not charge for the copy of the guide or inspection of the copy of the guide. The regulations provide for the mechanisms of access to information, namely automatic availability of certain records within the public body, voluntary disclosure and automatic availability of certain records within a private body, the availability of records in terms of a political party, the request for access of information, complaints to the information regulator, automatic availability of certain records in terms of a public body. The information officer must compile and keep an updated description of the categories of records which are automatically available without the requester having to request access thereto. The voluntary disclosure and automatic availability of certain records of a private body. The head of the private body must compile and keep an updated list or description of categories of records that are voluntarily disclosed or automatically available without the requester having the need to make a request to access. Availability of records of political parties. Section 52A 1B records must be available for inspection during the normal working hours at the physical address of the political party, and also available electronically on the website of the political party. I'll be placing a copy of these regulations in the link below. Please be sure to check it out and implement it within your organizations. Thank you very much.